How often have you or your audiences been subjected to a speech where the speaker seems to have forgotten that it's a speech, not a hostage situation? It's just an unrelenting flow of facts delivered with all the joy of a tax audit. Now, that speaker may well know their stuff, but it's so easy to lose an audience. The person speaking just fades into the background. They become Charlie Brown's teacher, just wah, 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 wah. And the audience is just daydreaming. They're thinking about lunch, they're looking at their phones and returning emails. I mean, if it's a virtual presentation, God knows what they're doing. But if the audience is checked out, what are you paying for? Well, I'm an actual comedian, like a try the veal, tip your waitresses, I'm here all week, comedian. I'm a professional comedy writer with all kinds of fancy credits that you can find somewhere else on this page. I teach people how to connect and build relationships using humor, and I practice what I preach because humor is the absolute best way to get any message across. Where there's laughter, there's emotional connection. Where there's emotional connection, there's trust. And where there's trust, there's action. So hit one of the 947 booking buttons on this page, and let's talk about how I can make your presentation something that people pay attention to all the way through. Oh, that's not gin. What, no one reads a writer?